Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting digits that approximate animal parts. Pick 0 for bodies, 1 for legs, 3 for ears. Draw them lightly so you can adjust. This is why pencil pressure matters. Once you have the basic placement, connect centers with faint construction lines to establish proportions and posture. Make sure to vary orientation. Rotate a 3 for a snout, tilt a 1 for a standing leg. These first steps set scale and balance, so take a moment to align head-to-body spacing before refining. Once the digit framework is placed, you refine by overlaying curved strokes that blend numbers into continuous outlines. This is where the animal emerges. Smooth transitions at joints are important. Use small circular strokes to round elbows and haunches. Make sure to erase guide segments that create visual clutter, but retain anchor points that preserve proportion. Add extra digits for details. A rotated 7 becomes a tail, a 9 makes a paw. Keep checking silhouette against your reference to maintain recognizable anatomy. You finish by inking or darkening the final contours and then erasing remaining guide marks. This clarifies the animal shape. Add shading with directional strokes to imply volume, using 2 to 3 tonal values so the numbers read as form rather than symbols. Make sure to step back and assess silhouette. If proportions look off, resize the original digit guides and reweight lines accordingly. If details vanish, reduce eraser pressure and redraw lightly. Troubleshooting tip: redo one area at a time to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.